figure out amplitude. I see it as -3 in front. Now amplitude is always positive. It's just saying how much is it going above or beyond the center. So we'll say our amplitude is 3. So it'll go 3 above the center and 3 below the center. Now what that -3 means is it's going to be reflected. So typically with sine, you start at 0 and you go up and then down like that. But when it's reflected, you're going to start at 0 and you're going to go down and up. Oh, very fun. That looks kind of cute. All right. As far as figuring out the period, remember we just take 2 pi and divide it by b. b is whatever's between the sine or cosine and the x, which in our case is 1. So 2 pi divided by 1 is just 2 pi. Now if we're trying to figure out the steps, like if I have 4 parts of my graph at least, then I'm going to take 2 pi and divide it by 4, which becomes pi over 2. So every half of pi will be like our step where we have a new coordinate. So let's make this 1 pi over 2. Here will be 2 pi over 2, which is just pi. Then 3 pi over 2. And 4 pi over 2, which is 2 pi. And again, if you want to go beyond this, you could go 5 pi over 2, 6 pi over 2, which would reduce to 3 pi. All right? So our amplitude is 3. We're going 3 above, 3 below. So if you remember, sine starts at 0. It starts in the center of the graph. So we've got a point right there. And then, remember, it's -3. So we're going to dip down 3 instead of our usual up 3. So we're going down 3 and back to center. Up 3, back to center. That's one complete cycle. Now put some curves on this. We don't need straight zigzag Charlie Brown t-shirt kind of lines. So we curve down 3, up 3, then we'll go down 3, and it again would continue forever in both directions, just like this. That one wasn't too bad.